Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix sign out problem on iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. So let's start the video. Whenever if you need sign out your Apple ID, but even after a long time the ID is not signed out. As well as you can see here, removing iCloud data. It will make you wait a long time, but it will not work for you. So without wasting time, go back to the home screen. Close all tabs and open settings again. As you can see here, find my, just tap on it. Again tap find my iPhone. Turn on location services, tap OK. And go back to your iCloud sign. Now scroll down and tap on sign out. You can see he is asking your Apple ID password now. Enter your Apple ID password and turn off. It will take some wait for few seconds. As you can see, your Apple ID has been signed out successfully. After watching this video, hope this helpful for you. Thanks for watching my video.